Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying who owns the audio and what permissions exist. Find the exact track, timestamps you need, and note the license terms. Once done, determine if the track is public domain, Creative Commons with attribution, or requires a sync license. Next, prepare a short email or license request template that lists usage, platform, duration, and payment terms. Make sure to save all communications and screenshots of license pages so you have proof if disputes arise. Now secure written permission. Ask for a sync license that explicitly allows YouTube use and any monetization you plan. Get delivery as PDF or email. If using stock libraries, download invoices and license ID. Once obtained, rename files and store them with your project. Also log contact info, granted rights, duration, and any territorial limits in a small spreadsheet. Once documented, embed brief license metadata in your project notes so you can quickly respond to content ID. Finally, upload with attribution and license metadata clearly in the description, title, owner, license type, and link or ID. Once live, monitor for content ID matches. If a claim appears, immediately submit the written license, invoice, or email through YouTube's dispute flow and explain why the use is authorized. If the owner disputes, escalate with your proof and consider alternative audio or mute options while the claim resolves. Troubleshooting tip: keep high-quality timestamps and the original license file handy to speed dispute resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.